It's crucial to have good financial management in life. It is simple to get preoccupied with daily expenses while putting off more important objectives like retirement savings or emergency savings. To ensure your financial stability, take a time to consider how you might handle your money more effectively. Here are 10 personal finance tips that can change the way you think about money. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel The Financial Tech for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Tracking your spending. Tracking your expenditure is one of the most crucial keys to financial success. Gaining control of your finances begins with knowing precisely where and how much of your money you are spending. By keeping track of your expenditures, you'll be able to get a clear picture of your financial condition and make money choices that are well informed. There are several strategies to keep tabs on your expenditures. A spreadsheet, a budgeting program, or simply paper and ink are all options. Whatever way you decide on, be sure to keep track of every penny you spend on things like food, bills, entertainment, and anything else. In order to compare your spending to your income and ensure that you are adhering to your budget, it is equally crucial to keep track of your revenue. Number 2. Making a budget and sticking to it. Making a budget is the next step after tracking your expenditures. A budget is a well-organized plan for how much money you will spend and save. It should include all of your earnings and outgoings as well as a projection of your monthly financial situation. You can ensure that you are managing your finances wisely by making a budget. Prior to creating your budget, make a list of your financial objectives. These might be both short and long-term, and they need to be attainable. For instance, you could desire to pay off your credit card debt in a year or save money for a down payment on a home. Setting financial objectives helps keep you motivated and responsible for sticking to your spending plan. It's time to make your budget when you've determined your objectives. The first step is to calculate your monthly income, after which you should make a list of all of your costs. Include everything, from variable costs like food and entertainment to fixed costs like rent and utilities. After listing all of your costs, calculate your remaining funds by deducting that sum from your revenue. Making a budget is critical, but following it is even more crucial. It's time to begin living within your means once you've made your budget and calculated how much money you have left over. Avoid going overboard with your expenditures and make an effort to stay to the allocated amounts for each item. Number 3. Paying yourself first. It's crucial to pay yourself first when it comes to managing your money. This entails saving and investing a part of your money each month before paying any bills or other outgoings. Making sure you take care of yourself first will enable you to save money for the future and make sure you are ready for any unforeseen costs or crises. Your financial objectives and your present financial circumstances should determine how much you should save. Prioritizing debt repayment before starting to save may be a good idea if you have debt. After you have paid off your debt, you may begin saving a portion of your income. Save a minimum of 10% to 15% of your monthly salary, and if your income rises, raise this amount. Number 4. Automating your finances. Automating as much of your money as you can is one of the finest methods to maintain control over them. By automating your money, you may save time and effort while also ensuring that your savings are put away each month and that your expenses are paid on time. To ensure that you never forget to pay a bill, you may set up automated payments. To avoid having to remember to physically transfer money, you may also set up an automated transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. By automating your accounts, you can make sure that your payments are made on time for your bills and that you regularly save money each month. Using tax-advantaged accounts to your advantage. Tax-advantaged accounts are ones that let you put money away and lower your taxable income. These accounts include health savings accounts, 529 college savings programs, and retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. You may save money for the future and lower your taxable income by making contributions to these accounts. It's critical to comprehend the policies and guidelines before making a contribution to a tax-advantaged account. For instance, 401ks and IRAs have yearly contribution limits, and some accounts need a certain level of income before you can make a contribution. Before making any donations, make sure you are familiar with the policies of any account you are considering. Number 5. Investing for the long term. An excellent approach to accumulate money and save for the future is by investing. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to complete your homework and grasp the fundamentals since the process of investing may be challenging. It's crucial to have a long-term plan while investing. The goal of investing should be to accumulate money over time, not to make a rapid profit. Consider investing in a mix of assets, such as equities, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, with a goal of holding your investments for at least 5 to 10 years. Diversifying your assets is another crucial thing to keep in mind. By investing in a number of assets, one may ensure that their portfolio is diversified in the event that one asset class performs badly. By diversifying your assets, you can lower risk and make sure your portfolio is well balanced. Number 6. Shopping around for the best deals. One of the easiest methods to save money is to shop around for the best offers. Before making a purchase, be sure to shop around and check costs for everything from groceries to furniture to clothing. You can locate the greatest deal and make sure you're getting the most for your money by shopping around. It's crucial to consider other factors while comparing prices. Think about the product's quality, the return policy, and any other features that could be significant to you. Utilizing deals and coupons may also help you save more money, therefore it's a smart idea to do so. Number 7. Don't be afraid to say no. It's critical to have the ability to say no when it comes to managing your money. Choosing to decline pointless expenditures and purchases might help you save costs and stick to your spending plan. When you're tempted to buy something on the spur of the moment, stop and consider if it's really required. Think about whether you actually need it and how it will fit into your budget. Saying no is okay if it's not essential or you can't afford it. Number 8. Staying informed about financial trends and news. Keeping up with financial news and trends is crucial for managing your money. You can make smart financial choices and stay on top of any developments that could have an impact on your financial condition by keeping up with what's going on in the financial world. By reading the news, watching the news, and following financial gurus on social media, be sure you remain current on financial news and trends. By doing this, you'll be able to make better financial choices and make sure you're aware of any developments that might have an impact on your finances. Number 9. Live without credit cards. Is feasible, but it takes a lot of preparation and self-control. Making and adhering to a budget is the first step. This entails keeping track of all of your earnings and outgoing costs to ensure that you are not blowing your budget. It also entails saving money for unforeseen costs and crises. Once you've established a budget, you may start looking for methods to cut costs. This can include reducing irrational expenditures like dining out or shopping for new clothing. It could also include figuring out methods to save money on necessities like purchasing generic brands or going to sales. Using cash or debit cards instead of credit cards is another option to manage without them. This will assist you in sticking to your spending plan and ward off temptation. Prepaid cards, which resemble debit cards but are not associated with a bank account, are another option. If you want to control your spending but still have access to money, this is a wonderful alternative. Finally, it's critical to prioritize financial education. This entails acquiring knowledge about investing, saving, and budgeting. It also entails being aware of the hazards linked to credit cards and how they operate. You can live without credit cards and avoid debt by managing your money well and making wise financial choices. Number 10. Make financial education a priority. Young people need financial education more than anybody. Budgeting, saving, and investing lessons may help kids form wise financial practices that will serve them well as adults. Young people's financial education may be provided by both parents and schools. It is possible to live without using credit cards, but it takes careful preparation and self-control. You can live without credit cards by setting up a budget and adhering to it, using cash or debit cards instead of credit cards, and prioritizing financial education. You may become financially free and enjoy a debt-free life if you take the appropriate strategy. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.